Number 5. A research group at Harvard University has created a self-organizing micro-robot army. Thousands of mini-robots work together to perform various tasks. Here, they are organizing to form a picture of a starfish. Each individual robot is produced at a very low cost and is only a few centimeters in length. The project was inspired by ant colonies, since ants organize and work together to sustain their societies. They do sort of look like little ants. At number 4, we have a micro pocket printer. All you have to do is place the printer on a sheet of paper and it will print directly on top. It can print words or images and is apparently quite accurate. That's pretty cool. Three micro drones cooperate in some ball catching. The micro drone was later adapted into an omnicopter capable of 6-degree flying. Number 2. Salto 1P is a one-legged jumping robot developed by Biometric Millis. It uses a control algorithm that lands its foot in precise spots on the ground. By doing this, the robot is able to follow a calculated path and gets around quite easily. It certainly seems to work quite well. And finally, number 1. This tiny thing here is called a microscallop. It is a miniature robot that is designed to deliver drugs in incredibly targeted areas in your body. For example, the back of your eyeballs. It literally swims through your body fluids to reach a predetermined spot. These microscallops are less than a millimeter in size, smaller than even a pill or a tablet. Microscallops are still in development, but it is certainly a very promising technology. Before we go, I have a couple more clips I wanted to show you.
For the best micro drone, here's a collection that you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, Hubsan X4H107C 4-channel 2.4 GHz RC quadcopter with camera. This is a micro drone with outstanding maneuverability. Its agility is largely due to the built-in 6-axis stabilization. This translates your every input in the RC without any delay into flight maneuvers. In addition, this quadcopter is suitable for complete beginners and drone pilots with some experience, since you can choose between 2 distinct flight modes, normal and expert. However, you can also stun your friends with spectacular 360 flips. Amazingly, this micro drone is even equipped with a small camera. To start recording video, press the button found on the lower backside of the micro drone. All in all, this micro drone will be airborne for up to 7 minutes, which is decent enough. The package also includes a large transmitter, spare propellers, a USB charger, and a turn screw to remove and fasten propellers. Number 2. Estes Proto X Nano RC Quadcopter. This is one of the funnest micro drones I've flown. As you can see in the image above, it's slightly larger than a quarter. This makes it zippy and acrobatic. The Proto X can make sharp turns and its minimal weight maximizes the power of its motors. The LED lights allow you to fly around in the dark, and it comes with 4 replacement propellers. Meet the Proto X, available in 6 colors: black, white, red, yellow, green, and purple. Not only is it the world's smallest quadcopter, it's also one of the world's lightest motor-heeless. The 50mm Proto X is tiny, ideal for indoor flying, and it weighs only 11.5 grams, just 0.4 of an ounce. Bright built-in LEDs make it easy to see the Proto X in low light conditions. Number 3. Ishi Nun. The Ishin E010 Mini is a remarkable drone at a remarkably low price. For one, this micro drone comes with a feature that is not commonly found with other quadcopters of this price segment. This small drone has a return home function that allows it to fly back to the position of the remote control by simply pushing one button. This safety feature makes the quadcopter particularly suitable to beginners, who can get their drone home safely without fuss. This large range of features is accessible on the included remote controller. The flight time of about 5 minutes is slightly lower than comparable micro drones on this list, and the charge time of 30 to 50 minutes is also longer. However, these are small advantages in light of the large feature set. Number 4. Cheerson CX-10 Mini 2.4 GHz 4-channel 6-axis LED RC Quadcopter Toy Drone. The CX-10 from Cheerson is one of the top micro drones out there. I like the drone's simplicity and ease of use. It's very straightforward to fly, but it also comes with some cool features like 360-degree flips and multiple flight modes for increased sensitivity. I can tell you the battery lasts for about 3 to 5 minutes and the full charge takes less than 10 minutes. However, the LiPo battery decays quickly and you'll have to replace it after around 50 cycles, which is pretty cheap but requires soldering. So in my opinion, if you want to use it as a simple novelty or toy, maybe it won't fulfill your expectations. But if you want to use it as a platform to fly bigger drones, then it's totally adequate. Number 5. Syma X12 Mini Nano 6-axis Gyro 4-channel RC Quadcopter. The X12 is Syma's entry into the micro drone market, so the result is a micro drone that takes its design cues from Syma's larger products. In terms of maneuverability, the X12 is not as agile as other drones on this list. Still, you get your money's worth as this micro drone hovers smoothly. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope works well for indoor and outdoor flights. It can fly in narrow rooms but also withstand some wind. The included remote control allows this micro drone to perform tricks like 360 flips, which will baffle your friends. Users on Amazon have reported that this micro drone flies 4 to 5 minutes. Sadly, the battery cannot be removed, so you have to wait until 15 to 20 minutes till it's recharged. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.